Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at a very nice truck, 1955 3100 Chevy pickup. It's got a 327 350 horse engine in it, 700R 4 transmission, automatic. It is kind of a blue, I would call it a silver blue myself, with a black interior, freshly restored. Got about 149 miles on it since the restoration. Again, the pictures may be dark here. We do have additional pictures of the vehicle on the website. Just an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. The paint is in excellent condition. Does have American Racing chrome wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust. As we walk around the vehicle, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. Show the beautiful wood bed. And again, if I go too fast with the camera, we have over 100 pictures of the vehicle on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. As I mentioned, we are in Sarasota. If you're not in Florida or you're not in Sarasota, please don't hesitate, if you have an interest, to still give us a call or visit the website, as we do ship worldwide. Last year we shipped to 8 or 9 different countries around the world, and we shipped in 19 different US states, so we can get this 55 Chevy 3100 to anywhere you may be in the world and get your dream car on the way. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars. The other 20% will be exotic, European, and or luxury. They are all on the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Or you can give us a call, 941-355-1955. We also do full frame off restorations, mostly mid-year Corvettes, but I have the capability of doing any vehicle. So give us a call at 941-355-1955 if you're interested in a restoration of the vehicle you may have. If you have an interest in any one of our vehicles, give us a call, as I mentioned, or visit the website. We'll go ahead and get this hood open here. Sorry, with the camera, kind of hard to do with one hand. See the 327, 350 horse, AC, very clean installation. Very well done. Again, sorry, it's a little dark with the camera or video here. Visit the website. Those have rack-and-pinion steering. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Show you that it is a cold start. We'll go ahead and grab the headers here. Get inside and get it fired up. You can see it does have dolphin gauges, vintage radio. As I mentioned, the AC, difficult to see in the dark. Make sure we get the correct key here. As I mentioned, 145 miles on the odometer. Tighten up a belt there. Hear the dual exhaust. Get no smoke. Wouldn't anticipate any on a restoration. We got exhaust coming out both sides. Chrome tips, goes with the chrome wheels, the silver blue paint, and I can call it blue, I think it's silver blue. Engine sounds fantastic. Again, just an absolutely stunning restoration of this 1955 3100 pickup. Won't rev it up too much as we're still not warmed up, but just let you hear it a little here. Again, I think it sounds fantastic. It is a automatic, as I mentioned, 700 R4. Seals are still a little fresh and new. Just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle here. And the paint is in excellent condition. Hood fits very nice. Hard to see here, but it does have a little bit of a rake, as the front end is slightly lower than the rear. Again, I think it's got a very nice stance. There's 3100 and the sleek lines. Just a very, very nice truck. If you have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit us on the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you'd like to see additional videos of new cars coming in or older vehicles, please subscribe below. And as always, we appreciate you tuning in. Please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.